Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be starting this geisha lady with the bird. I should say birds. There are actually two there. I didn't even notice that. I thought that was a flower or something. But anyway, we're going to start in this corner and the color I'm going to use is 321 red. And I want you to know I went through all the colors, checked everything off. Then I put all the individual colors into, this is just our brand, little snack bags and wrote the number on the outside. And I left the, what do you call it? The little tab thing that you see floating here. That's from the one that I actually opened, because I was just not going to put it on that thread card thing. Yeah. There's too much thread to do that, and it wasn't going to work. So, yeah. And then I checked them all off as I put them all through into the box, or the bag. So, it has a nice big bag of its own. Yeah. And, yeah. So, that consumed a hot moment. Oh, I'm telling you. And I need to bring you down, because I got you almost like where you can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm working on that purple symbol there. And I also have some tea. Yesterday I went to the store and I bought a box of, I think it's called vanilla chamomile or vanilla sleepy time tea. Yeah. Because, yeah, you can never have enough tea, trust me. So, that's what I got. And I thought, well, I'll just try it out and see what it tastes like. Yeah. It's pretty good. It's different. At one point, I got some vanilla chai. I was not real thrilled with that. Of course, I was used to spicy chai. So, I don't know. I might try it again. But, yeah. Yesterday, like I said, I went to the grocery store. I was going to make potato soup yesterday. And I also got the stuff. I was going to make chicken carbonara and put it and eat that. Well, potato soup didn't get cooked. The carbonara didn't get cooked. I got one of those rotisserie chickens they have at the grocery store. And I usually just use the breast part. So I just ate the thigh and the leg for dinner, because by that time I was just starving and I wanted instant food, so I had that with a nice tossed salad, because I got some tomatoes, but at this point I can't remember why I got the tomatoes, but it worked out well because I used it on the salad. Yeah, past me, future me, you know, sometimes we get it right. And I couldn't remember, of course, if I had any tomatoes in the refrigerator. You know, do you have any of you have? Does this sound familiar to anyone? Yeah. So yeah. And I didn't sleep well the night before yesterday, so I was pretty much fried all dang day long. I'm telling you, it was something else. I did work on the Jinling ladies. It's hard to say. Almost called them the 12 Chinese ladies. But I don't even think there's 12 of them. I don't know. I didn't count everybody. I just stitched. So I got a few threads, shall we say. Not 6-strand threads, but single threads into it. Yesterday, just working on it here and there and watching stuff on YouTube and watching a little Netflix, but other than that, I felt like a couch potato yesterday. I didn't stitch on anything else. I just didn't have the energy. So we'll see how this kit does. It seems like, I don't know if you can see this. The material is so rough that sometimes it doesn't take the dye well. Does that make any kind of sense? So it's a little tough to look at. It kind of reminds me of, what is it, New Orleans? Yeah. New Orleans, though, was much better grade Ada than this. So we'll see how it fares. But I have a feeling I'll be looking at the paper pattern a lot. I've had kits like this before, but I have no idea who or where, or, you know, where I got them or which kits they are. So, sorry, I can't offer any more information. So, gotta run out and do, what do you call it? Do the laundry, take out trash. I know. It's an exciting day for me. What can I say? Yeah. I was going to do that yesterday, take out the trash, but the wind was blowing about 35 to 40 miles an hour. And, you know, I just really didn't feel like fighting it, trying to get the trash into that big, huge commercial trash can. Oh, yeah, that would have been awesome. So I avoided that like the plague. I did talk to my daughter about going out, you know, go see the leaves and stuff. So I don't know what day that's going to transpire. What did I do with my silly little scissors? Oh, here they are. They're buried. They didn't get put back where they were supposed to. So we'll see, but that'll probably be on Sunday because, like I said, I think it's supposed to rain on Saturday. Not real sure if it will or it won't, you know, because heaven knows around here it changes its mind all the time. So anybody doing anything fun? I can't believe it's Friday already. Again. Here we are. Before you know it, it'll be Monday again. Fun times to be had by all. I don't know if I can get one more. I do know one thing. I have to change the needle out on that geisha, or not geisha, on the 12 ladies because it's too long and I just can't get a lot, you know, down to the end like that. Might be a little over an inch. So I don't think I'll go to a 28 though, or 26. I don't know. I'll try to find some finer needles. Those 28s are really small. They probably take a 1/4 inch off of these. This is kind of long too. Oh my goodness. So I'll probably cut that chicken up today and make the carbonara before it goes south. But I thought that was the easiest way so I wouldn't have to cook the chicken. You know, it was already done. Come on. Well, I should have gone up and down. Oh, well. Oh, that was fun, sorting out all that thread. Oh, my goodness. It was almost as bad as them thread tabs. At least all I had to do is put them in numerical order and slap them on a ring. That was just a little something. I don't know, it might have been better if they were all on bobbins, you know, but I do somewhere. Don't know where they're at right now. Probably have enough bobbins to cover that, but that was a lot of thread. I think there was like over 100, what do you call it, skeins of thread there. So yeah, fun times. I just want to stitch, you know? Don't you ever just feel like that? Just give me the color I need. I had a heck of a time trying to figure out what color I was going to start. But I saw that red there and I went, oh, what's that symbol? Ah, works for me. That's how I choose them. What can I say? There's no rhyme. There's no reason. There is a hole there, so pay attention, Laura. Oh, well, crap. I still missed it. Okay. Speeding right along. We'll just do it the hard way. This material does crunch down, though, good. I'll give it that much. Oh, my goodness. This thread's very nice. Give it that much. It's covering quite well. It doesn't feel thin or anything weird. I don't know that it is or it isn't DMC. You know how they say that sometimes, and just not sure. I think what they're trying to get across is that it's a DMC numbers, not necessarily sometimes the actual thread. Some of the better kits, you know, like Joy Sunday and Spring, they probably do use DMC. But what are we doing? Oh my goodness. Get down there. There's two symbols there. Let's put half of a square symbol, you know, where the other half's all colored in, right next to the dark blue. Yeah. And let's have Lora start with that color. That always works out so well. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it just hasn't been real exciting of a weekend. Or my weekend, my 4 days yet. So we're just holding out for better things to happen. Okay, what in the heck? I despise stitching on dark squares, dark squares, like black or navy blue or purple or whatever this color is, because sometimes I can't see where the holes are at. It's not helpful. Not helpful at all. This reminds me of that one that I got that was an 18 count from somebody. I have no idea. I don't know if it was Who the Can or who made those. It was back in the era of this won't wash out. Yeah. Oh, let's not go there again. They should all be pulled off the shelf there. So I made a little progress yesterday, I guess, on the 12 ladies there. Well, we're going in this direction. We might as well just keep moving. All right, I think we're about, keeps twisting up there. Quit it. About as far as this piece of thread's gonna go. Oh my goodness. I have to come back and catch those. So this might not go as bad as I think it will. We'll just take it one section-ish at a time and see how that works. Get that out of there. I know, we never make much progress. Whoops. Rid of the thread. Oh my goodness, stick to me. Time for hand lotion. Oh, and I got my little kika. Yep. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.